1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion. Here's some more information on numbers. Billion. 1 billion is equal to 1000 million. It's often used to describe large quantities or values, especially in finance and economics. Trillion. 1 trillion is equal to 1 million or. It's even larger than a billion and is used in contexts like national debts and large-scale economic measurements. Quadrillion. 1 quadrillion is equal to 1000 trillion. This number is often used in scientific measurements or when dealing with extremely large quantities. Quintillion. 1 quintillion is equal to 1000 quadrillion. This number is used in various scientific and astronomical calculations. Sextillion. 1 sextillion is equal to 1000 quintillion. Septillion. 1 septillion is equal to 1000 sextillion. Octillion. 1 octillion is equal to 1000 septillion. Nonillion. 1 nonillion is equal to 1000 octillion. Decillion. 1 decillion is equal to 1000 nonillion. These are just some of the large numerical values used in mathematics, science, and other fields to describe enormous quantities. Keep in mind that numbers can continue to grow as you add more zeros. Some more fascinating information. Googol. A googol is a very large number, equal to 10 raised to the power of 100. It's often used in mathematics and as a way to describe an incredibly vast quantity. Googolplex. A googolplex is an even larger number, equal to 10 raised to the power of a googol. The number is so massive that it exceeds the number of particles in the observable universe. Infinity. Infinity is not a specific number but rather a concept used to represent something unbounded or without limit. It plays a crucial role in various mathematical and philosophical concepts. Pi. Pi is an irrational number, approximately equal to 3.14159. It is the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter and plays a fundamental role in geometry and trigonometry. A. Euler's number. The number A is an irrational constant approximately equal to 2.71828. It frequently appears in mathematics, particularly in calculus and exponential functions. Golden ratio. The golden ratio, often denoted by the Greek letter phi. Phi is an irrational number approximately equal to 1.61803. It has unique mathematical properties and is observed in various natural phenomena, art, and architecture. Imaginary unit, I. The imaginary unit, I, is defined as the square root of -1. It is used in complex numbers, which combine real numbers with imaginary components. Factorial. The factorial of a non-negative integer, n, denoted by n factorial, is the product of all positive integers from 1 to n. For example, 5 factorial equals 5 by 4 by 3 by 2 by 1, is equal to 120.